Okay, I wanted to let's go over some examples to make sure we have this down. Okay, so first of all, where are the halogens located? What group? And let me see if blue will work well here. Group 7A. And let me make that thicker. And let's try a marker. Okay. Group 7A here. Nope, that's not any thicker. Let's try this marker. Group, that's better. 7A there. That's where your halogens are. Okay? Give me an example of an alkali metal. Alkali metals are located over here. So any example would be lithium, sodium, potassium, hydrogen, any of those. What about a noble gas? Where are the noble gases? And that would be over here in group 8. Ooh, this whole group here. These are your noble gases. Let's look at, okay, oxygen. If oxygen has a charge, okay, let me pull up, look at this periodic table, remember it. I'm going to have to pull up a new one here. Don't save. Okay, now oxygen, oxygen, if it does have a charge, tends to have what charge? So oxygen, and that's huge, tends to have a -2 charge because it has 6 valence electrons. So say -2 charge and 6 valence is what it has. Okay, what about lithium? Lithium has how many valence electrons? 1 valence, and tends to have what charge? +1. Because remember, it's a group 1. Okay? What about boron? Boron has how many valence? Boron. It has 3 valence. And what charge would it have? +3. Okay? And finally, let's do fluorine. Or bromine. Doesn't matter. Bromine has how many valence? 7 valence. Because it's in group 7. And how many, or if it had a charge, what charge would that be? It's in group 1, needs 1 more to be octet. It'd be a -1. Okay? So hopefully it helps give you some examples and you can figure that out. Let me just write this down right here. Pull up a new one. Okay, so let's do, make a little chart here. We'll put group number, and then we'll put valence, and then let's make one for charge. So if it does have a charge, what does it tend to have? Go away. Okay, so if your group number 1, 2, 3, and these are all A, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of valence, the same number as the group number. Okay, so again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the charge it tends to have would be +1, +2, +3, and that goes with 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just put a question mark because that kind of varies. Now let's start down here. 8 will have a 0 charge because it already has an octet. This one will be -1, 6 will be -2, and 5 will be -3. Alright? Now you can listen to the next lecture.